for today is about subtracting rational algebraic expressions. So, ang una po nating example is m minus 3n over 6m cubed n minus m plus 3n over 6m cubed n. So, as you can see po, parehas yung ating denominators. That's why we need to copy it. Copy na lang. Okay, so it will become 6m cubed n. After that, we have m minus 3n. So, kopyahin lang yung nasa unahan. Wala namang magbabago sa kanya. And then, ito namang itong isang numerator natin. Since subtraction tayo, we need to change its signs. Kasi pag minultiply yan, mag-iiba talaga yung sign. So, negative times positive, it will be negative. So, minus m minus 3n. Pero if ever, kung si 3n po ay negative, kung ito po ay negative, itong sign na to, negative times negative, positive yan. Eh, yun nga lang positive tsaka negative. So, negative talaga ang magiging sagot. And then after that, katulad ng ginawa natin kay addition, so, pagtabihin po yung mga magkakaparehas. So, m minus m. Ayan. Kineri natin po yung negative sign. Pag naglilipat-lipat tayo nag-arrange, ganyan, huwag kakalimutan yung sign. So, m minus 3n minus 3n. Ayan. So, m minus n, so that will be cancelled. So, cancelled na yung dalawang yan. Ayan, mali. Sumabra. So, m minus m is 0 na. And then, negative 3n tsaka negative 3n. So, parehas ng sign. So, you're going to copy the sign and then add. So, 3 plus 3 is 6n over 6m cubed n. As you can see, pwede tayong mag-cancel. So, pwede natin i-cancel po ngayon yung 6. And then, yung n. So, kasi 1 minus 1, 0. Diba? So, wala na yon. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So, invisible na yon. Hindi na kailangan. So, after that, our answer will be negative. So, dahil wala nang natira dun sa 6 tsaka n, so 1 yan, automatic. Over m cubed. It can be negative 1 over m cubed or negative, pwede siyang isulat parehas ng ganyan. Yung negative na kay 1 or pwedeng nasa gitna nilang dalawa. So, that's the same. So, our final answer is again, negative 1 over m cubed. Second example is 4 over x plus 1 minus 2 over x plus 2. So, nakikita po natin, magkaiba ang kanilang denominators or yung mga nasa ilalim. So, ang gagawin po natin is to copy both of them. So, that will be x plus 1 times x plus 2. Okay po. And then after that, magpapalitan sila ng partners. So, si 4 kay x plus 2 and then x plus 1 naman kay 2. So, 4 times x plus 2 minus, since subtraction po tayo, minus 2, ang kapartner niya naman ngayon is x plus 1. So, again, si 4, ang naging kapartner niya na ay x plus 2, at si x plus 1 naman kay 2. Nagpalit. Nagpalit sila ng jowa, ganon. And then, so 4 times x, so yung mga nasa labas po, yun po yung i-distribute natin sa loob. So, 4 times x is 4x plus 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times x is 2x. And then, ang sign nila ay negative kasi negative times positive is negative. And then, 2 times 1 is 2. Ang sign ulit nila is negative kasi magkaiba ulit ng sign. And then, copy the x plus 1 tsaka x plus 2 natin. Kopyahin lang. After that, pagtabihin po yung mga magkakaparehas or yung like terms. So, 4x, syempre may x. So, ang po natin is yung negative 2x. Again, don't forget the signs. After that, plus 8, tapos minus 2. So, 4x minus 2x plus 8 minus 2. So, copy ulit yung denominator. Okay. And then, 4x minus 2x. So, 4 minus 2 is 2x. Plus 8 minus 2 is 6. So, over x plus 1 times x plus 2. So, pwede naman natin sana na i-factor out si 2x plus 6. So, it will be by 3. Yun nga lang, by 2, yun nga lang wala tayong ma-factor or wala tayong maka-cancel. That's why, I guess, this will be our final answer. So, 2x plus 6 over x plus 1 times x plus. Let us have 3 over x minus 1 minus 2 over x minus 2. So, ayan po ulit. As you can see, hindi po magkaparehas yung ating denominators. So, kaya po ating kopyahin. So, ayan. X minus 1 times x minus 2. And then after that, palit ulit ng partners. So, si 3 will be with x minus 2. And then, minus 2 times x minus 1. So, ayan po. After that, ayan po, nagpalit lang ha. Yan, nagpalit lang sila ng partners. And then, after that, so, i-distribute lang natin yung factor sa labas. So, 3 times x is 3x. Minus, 3 times 2 is 6. And then, minus 2x. So, negative times positive is negative. And then, negative times negative naman is positive. Ayan, positive 1. Tandaan po, pag nag-multiply at parehas ang sign, the sign will be positive. And then, copyhin lang yun sa ilalim. Yan. After that, pagtabihin lang ulit or i-arrange lang natin, pagtabihin yung mga may parehas na letter or variable, and then parehas yung number at number, pagtabihin din. So, kaya po pinagtabi ko ang 3x tsaka negative 2x kasama ang sign, and then negative 6 plus 1. All over x minus 1 times x minus 2. Okay, so after that, as you can see, 3x minus 2x, magkaiba ng sign, so subtraction. 3 minus 2 is 1, so pwedeng 1x or simply x na lang. And then, negative 6 plus 1, so, oh wait, may error ako, ayan. So, 2 times 1, it should be 2, not 1. Ayan, nagkamali po. Nagkamali ako. So, this should be 2. Ayan, baguhin natin. Sorry for that error. This should be 2. Ayan, mukha na siyang 2. So, negative 6 plus 2. So, magkaiba ng sign ulit. So, subtraction 6. Negative 6 plus 2 or 6 minus 2 is 4. And then, mas malaki ang 6, so negative, over x minus 1 times x minus 2. So, as you can see, wala tayong makakancel. So, ito na po yung final answer natin. Again, the final answer is x minus 4 over x minus 1 times x minus